How to perform wudu? Every act of worship accepted by Allah is equal to nur.
For example, the Prophet said, As-salatu nur. Salat is nur. So if Allah accepts our salat, then that salat is transformed into nur. That salat is the key to Jannah. But he didn't stop there. He said, Al-wudu miftahu salat. Wudu is the key to salat. And we don't perform wudu anymore. No? You don't believe me? Go to the place where wudu is being performed after listening to the lecture. And if you have tears to weep, weep. And you see how they perform wudu today. A man was performing wudu, and the Prophet ﷺ saw him and asked him for an explanation for this waste of water. Even if you have a running stream of water before you in Jannah, still you must not exceed the limit. What is the limit? How much water should we use for wudu? The first act of wudu is to pour the water on the right hand. The next act of wudu is to take the right hand and dip with it. And this much water, which is in your hand, called a ghurfa, this is the amount of water to be used in every act of wudu. The new way of performing wudu is that you open the tap, and because you're a good Muslim, you open it full blast. Full blast. And no longer are you bothered about this much water. No, that's gone. And when you are washing your mouth, the water is still flowing. And you're washing your nose, the water is still flowing. And you're washing your hands, the water is still flowing. You probably can fill this 50, 60, 100 times. Does that qualify as a valid wudu? If the companions of the Prophet ﷺ were alive today, and they go to the place where wudu is being performed, they'll take sticks and run us out of town. They say, these are not Muslims. That's what they'll do to us.